Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can turn a normal video into a green screen video, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So for the first step, what I want you to do is to download a plain green screen image from Google Chrome. So to do that, you just need to search for a green screen background. And after searching, you will now be able to see many green screen images on Google, so just select an image and download it. And there you go, the image has been successfully downloaded. So now that we've finished downloading the green screen image, we will now proceed to the next step. So for the next step, we will now start the editing, so I want you to open your Capcut. After opening your Capcut, now create a new project. And right here, just select the green screen image you've downloaded earlier. And after that, you will now be directed to the editing section. So now that you're on the editing section, what I want you to do next is go to the overlay on the toolbar. And then go to the video section. And now select the video that you want to turn into a green screen. After selecting the video, tap Add. After that, drag the green screen time duration to the same duration as the overlay video. And then you can also adjust the size of the overlay video depending on your preferences. And after you've finished adjusting the size, now let's turn it into a green screen video. So to do that, tap the overlay video. Then swipe the toolbar to the right until you've found Remove BG. Once you've found it, go and tap it. And then tap Auto Removal. And after that, your video will automatically turn into a green screen video. Let's try watching it. As you can see, it is now a green screen video, guys. So now that we've turned it into a green screen, we can now export the video to save it into gallery. And after that, it's done. We've successfully turned it into a green screen video. So this is the outcome of the video, guys. As you can see, it is now a green screen video. And so that's just how you turn your video into a green screen, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And also you can comment down below if you have some questions or if you have a problem that you want me to make tutorial about. So that's all, guys. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.